And hey, good morning, good afternoon, good evening to everyone who is watching. Now, there's this hair extension called the HIYAKI Plus, and this we used to know it as doing these small twists. But this time around, they have brought it in another way that you can also try to do something like this. The way you can see it, very perfect, and it is very soft. Also, I didn't know that you can also do these curls the way you can see in the video. Trust me, I've tried it and I've loved it. So it is HIYAKI Plus, and those ones who might see it in the shop and then you think it can only do those small twists, it is now very perfect that you can also do something like this. And I believe that the more hairstyles it can do, even more than this. So for now, let's try to look at what we did to really made it look like this. And of course, this is what I got for you today. Let's check it out. It is HIYAKI Plus from Darling Company, Uganda.
oyagala ebiriko jangu ffe tukuwe ebiriko oyagala omulembe jangu tutambule n'omulembe oyagala ebiriko jangu ffe tukuwe ebiriko Hair by clippers, hair by clippers, hair by clippers, hair by clippers. Confidence eri mu kikumi we give it out tetuleka you with the best to none anyawa kana ruleta tujja kulaga embiri twazitenga tuli ba big ballers shot callers tukola kwaba bazewulira so high in the sky we know how to make it glam and look so splashy. Everybody clippers with the best, everybody clippers with the best, everybody clippers with the best, everybody clippers with the best. Hair by clippers, 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 hair by clippers. Oyagala omulembe jangu tutambule n'omulembe oyagala ebiriko jangu ffe tukuwe ebiriko oyagala omulembe jangu tutambule n'omulembe oyagala ebiriko jangu ffe tukuwe ebiriko Hair by clippers, hair by clippers, hair by clippers, hair by clippers.
Olabise bulungi onyirira bulungi fanana bulungi olabise bulungi otunula bulungi ofanana bulungi
Zabadabuza nze nyabo akavideo kakoleddewa Forgive me if I'm too bold nayo nyumide gwe n'okamala bakutonye tonya kaviri kulya kulaba kakwegomba Ufananye African queenie. Manicure, pedicure, checho. Wali ewa Morris, the crochet master. Body professional, movie and video bakugunyo. If you wanna look good, come and visit. Bakukora kavi, no la vikanga queenie. Body neat like expected, so good and fancy. Bakukora kavi, no la vikanga mutini. Body neat like expected, so good and elegant woman.
Alongside Jambo go Rodney.
In the minister's village,
Alongside Jambo go Rodney.
here by keeper.
He got the touch of a cricket master. Yeah. Oh no, no, no.
Cartons around my soul, baby. I've been thinking about the way you're looking, yeah. Oyingi de wongo yaka. Morris the crochet master did a make on you, yeah, yeah. The nigga did you so right. Your makeup so nice, body fine like wine. You look so good, so good. Morris the crochet master, yabako kolangako. Ako toto wansa, beauty na chichayo. Engeri jonyo mye, okwana nembaga. You look so good, nobody do it like Morris. Yeah, nobody do it like Morris, yeah. The crochet master. Nobody do it like Morris, yeah. Oh no, 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 no. Nobody do it like Morris. The crochet master. Crochet master. He got the touch of a crochet master. Yeah. No, no. Morris got the touch of a crochet master. No, no, no. He got the touch of a crochet master. Yeah, yeah. A touch of a crochet master. Morris. Yeah, yeah. He got the touch of a crochet master. Crochet master. Morris. Your crochet master. Morris. Your crochet master. Crochet master. No, no, no. Touch of a crochet master. He's so good. Yeah. Yeah.
Number one running.
We're totally not your number. Number one, you know. A big thing, this. Yeah. Bano we number one. Boli chimuba chikola from the art. Obukugu wa pull up. The moli muyiga bona bachiso. Nobody can ever run them. Crochet master muwe, him a run them. Mujembi bakuwa, balinga high grade kwe basoma. All of them are styles, them are do for you. Them a make you look nice and sexy too, yeah. For the beautiful woman, yeah. Come around here by clippers, yeah. They are by clippers fire. Torina chongaba. Hair by clippers fire. Yeah. Oh na na. Torina, Torina chongaba. Torina, Torina chongaba. Torina, Torina chongaba. Torina.
Finally, this is what we got for you for this tutorial. My name is Morris, the crochet master, and I work at Hair by Clippers with the said. So may the Lord bless you. Hope you have liked the tutorial, and if you have any question that you need to ask, I'd like you to go right in the comment section. Tell me what you feel about this hairstyle, and of course you can rate it from 1 to 100. Yes, how was it, and maybe what can we change about it, and what did you love about this hair extension. So it is HIYAKI Plus. May the Lord bless you all, and remember, it is from Darling Company, Uganda.
Hair by clippers fire. Torina chongaba. Hair by clippers. us fire. Yeah. Oh Nana, Dolina, Dolina chongamba, 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 Dolina, yeah 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 yeah.